Today we're taking a closer look at the stainless steel garden knife with wooden handle from Paxlinson, a versatile tool designed to make lawn repair and garden maintenance easier than ever. This knife features a sturdy stainless steel blade that excels in cutting through sod and soil, making it an ideal choice for those looking to repair their lawn or tackle various gardening tasks. The blade is double-sided, which means you get two cutting edges for more efficient work. The handle is crafted from wood, providing a comfortable grip and a classic aesthetic. It's ergonomically designed to fit well in your hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This thoughtful design is complemented by the included nylon sheath, which ensures that the knife is safely stored when not in use and adds an extra layer of convenience for gardeners on the go. The overall build quality of this garden knife is impressive, with the stainless steel ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Whether you're cutting through thick sod or working in tougher soil conditions, this knife is up to the task. The wooden handle, while elegant, also offers practical benefits, giving you a solid, reliable grip. In summary, the Paxlinson stainless steel garden knife is a top-notch tool for anyone serious about lawn care and gardening. Its robust design, comfortable handle, and practical features make it a standout choice for maintaining a beautiful garden. If you're in the market for a high-quality garden knife, this one definitely deserves your consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.